Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll explore the structure and logic behind the day trading daily EA, built entirely with FXdreema, no coding required. This EA is designed for short-term intraday trading, using daily-based logic, and precise entry or exit signals structured around specific market sessions and time conditions. Let's break down the EA's key components. Daily setup, initialization. The EA begins by checking if a new daily bar has opened. This helps reset internal variables, draw markers, or prepare the EA for a new trading day. This ensures that every day starts fresh with a consistent trading setup. Entry conditions, buy and sell logic. The EA uses a combination of price, action, and technical filters to determine trade entries. These may include candle patterns or daily highs-lows, time-based conditions, e.g., trade only during London or NY sessions, optional filters such as RSI, EMA, or previous day volatility. When all conditions align, the EA will trigger a buy or sell order, executed only once per day per direction. Trade management logic. Once a trade is open, the EA will set a fixed or ATR-based stop loss and take profit. Apply trailing stop if enabled. Manage trades with partial closing or break-even logic. This modular management system ensures flexibility across different market conditions. Trading hours control. A core feature of this EA is its time window filter. You can define your active trading hours, for example, only allowing trades between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. server time to avoid overnight volatility or illiquid sessions. Daily trade limit. The EA includes a smart control mechanism to prevent overtrading. Once a buy-or-sell trade is placed and closed, no additional trades in that direction will be opened for the rest of the day. Chart labels and debug tools. For better monitoring, the EA draws session boxes or lines to mark key times, trade direction indicators, optional debug messages or logs for strategy development and testing before using this EA on a live account. Please understand that strategy, risk tolerance, and market timing are critical. This EA is a tool, not a guarantee of profit. We highly recommend performing a 99.9% tick data backtest before deployment. Test across different time frames, symbols, and brokers to optimize performance and reduce drawdown. Thanks for watching this breakdown from MQLrobot EAS. If you enjoy building trading strategies without coding, be sure to subscribe and check out other EA tutorials in this playlist. Happy trading! And remember, always test, refine, and never stop learning.